Do you want me to talk or you to talk?
You talk, Josh.
Oh, Jesus! Thanks, guys!
Yeah, all good. Go on, Dolly.
So lads, today we're here looking at the oldest cats in the world.
Before we clickbait, get clean.
Yeah, clickboard. Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe. There'll be like something up here saying subscribe. It'll be over Josh's face. So this video has like the thumbnail with a cat saying 173 years old with the title The Oldest Cats in the World.
So clearly it's clickbait, we already know that.
Top 10 oldest cats in the world.
Straight away, we know that's clickbait. That is a clickbaity voice.
Top 10 oldest cats in the world.
The last thing you want on your
Number 10.
That just wasn't funny.
Whiskey.
I'm betting my whole life savings on the fact that this cat is Ranger cat.
It's white and black. I expect your life expectancy. I expect your money.
5 in Melbourne, Australia.
Plus 10 to the clickbait, even though it's not clickbait because he said Melbourne, Australia.
And went through a complicated surgery because it was born with both ovaries and testicles.
What?
That's all we've got to say.
Wait. Thing is, they're just like, she lived 31 years and born with ovary and testicles. To the next one!
Spike. Normally it was fed with fish and unusual cat food, but to prevent sickness like arthritis.
What kind of unusual cat food? Isn't there just cat food?
Yeah.
What kind of unusual, like...
Let's give him dog food.
My cat eats dog food as well.
They gave this cat a mixture of aloe vera with the purpose of making it stronger. What's curious about this is that it actually worked. It was stronger than ever. When it was 19 years old, the cat suffered a Rottweiler attack and almost lost its life. The dog bit the cat and caused a wound that got infected, which almost...
That's a -1 point for not actually getting a photo of the actual dog. They've just got a really shitty stock image and then just chucked it in, so you know. Like,
Oh, wait. I'm stuck at... Wait, they fed him aloe vera... I can't say the bloody word. And they... Like, how did it make it stronger? Does that actually work?
I have no idea.
Alright, sure.
killed the cat, but it was saved thanks to the intense care of its family. However, because of its advanced age, Spike died in July 2001 in the arms of its owners.
Really? The one where just the music and everything did not fit.
No, it did not fit.
There's happy music.
Yeah. There's happy music.
There's a stock
crying.
video of a woman crying. You know.
Play happy.mp3 and someone's just like jumping off the bridge.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my God.
We're being rained on by trees, boys. We're about to die. Jesus Christ.
We're going into the top 3 now. You know, this is big leagues.
Grandpa Rex Allen. They ate the...
that guy.
I'm sorry. You guys continue with the
What
video.
is that noise?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna...
Hey guys, it's me, Corey. I'm really tall. Let's watch the video.
So the rest of the video got corrupted, so me and Ollie just decided to look at some cat reddits. And Ollie also sounds like a robot for some reason. My best friend ran away last night. Please send positive vibes. Yeah, this has been given like a gold award. Really just your cat went on a camping trip.
Didn't. It's probably just a beg for likes.
Now this is the coolest cat I've seen on this Reddit.
See the cat in the bottom right corner that says chess? That's one of my favourites. My personal favourite chess cat.
This is under the category cat picture. Imagine a lot of this is under the category cat picture.
Yeah.
This is what I want to see, just like cats having an all-out war.
Well, I'm just going to move so I'm in a better Wi-Fi spot. I'll slide.
Australian Wi-Fi, everybody. Oh, dog versus cat, dog versus cat, dog versus cat.
Beef.
5 seconds, a cat walks up to a dog. The dog just leaves.
Nothing happens. You're thinking we're going to be watching like street beefs or something and they're going to get into a massive fight or something. No, they just walk up and walk off.
Oh my god.
You see, Josh, I feel like you can relate to that because you have a fridge like that.
I actually have a water dispenser.
The question is, can that cat do more pull-ups than me? Because that looks like a cat pull-up, and being a scrawny little weakling, it can probably do more pull-ups than me.
Cat getting games. Cat versus dogs. Yes! Oh, let's go! Things are tensing up, Ollie.
Fight!
Go for the head! Oh, look at this. So blurry.
This is what we wanted to see. 3B.
That's not nice noises.
Finish him! Flawless victory.
Oh, cat just falls down the hill. Do you want to give us an outro, Ollie?
I'm the CEO of Shares. That's facts.